We're here at the Fairfield Suites by Marriott, here in Livingston, Montana.
Hey, Bill.
Excuse me, good, how are you?
Good.
That's the copy. See by Marriott. Yeah, this is ThyssenKrupp. Copy. Synergy. I said, these are actually traction. Cool. Might be a bushing. They're extra MRL.
How many COVID shots did you take, and how do you feel about it now, in retrospect?
How many COVID shots did you take? 0.
How many COVID shots did you take, and how do you feel about it now, in retrospect?
How many COVID shots did you take? 0.
Traction. Cool. Switch upstairs.
Oh.
Sorry. Get the new-ish ThyssenKrupp nameplate. I haven't seen that in a while, so. Distraction. I love how they shoehorn this thing in there. And yes, notice how there's 2 call buttons here. It's kind of weird. They're on the same controller too. Look at this. This is the ammo cabinet right here. Here it is. There's a random floor workout and 2, which is weird. This is cool.
Yeah, it is.
Also, could someone explain to me why floor 2 is a lockout? This is so weird. These are actually a mile. So I'm not 100% sure if these are Livingston 200. They could be. And these are buttons here. Atoll. I love how they put the button over here. So random. There's 2 elevators here. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.